What's up, everybody? It's Gary here from Safer Wholesale, and today we're doing a little video on the Club Car Tempoe. Now this one here, it's a 2020, and it does have a lot of new parts on it. First off, you've got a 12-inch rim right here. Okay, so this is brand new. It's got a nice turf tire, so you can use it for on or off-road use. And then of course you've got your lights in the front as well, optional there. This one's going to come with the 6-inch lift kit. This was from Madjax or Nival. Again, a 6-inch lift here on the front and the rear. It also is going to have your side view mirrors. Now, guys and gals, we can also add a radio as well if you're interested. And this one here also has brand new batteries. So now that is an optional upgrade. You will have to pay for brand new batteries, otherwise they will come with used Trojan batteries, and they still will work, but these you will get many years out of them, anywhere from 4 to 6 years. And this one here, they come with sealed batteries if you go with the upgrade for the new batteries. So guys and gals, give us a call, 866-606-3991. Now next, also you have your rear tail lights here. This is your charger right here, and then we've got the flip seat, so you can fit 4 passengers on this golf cart right here, and we can ship them nationwide right to you. So guys and gals, you give us a call today, we can ship, again, nationwide, right to your front door. If you're looking for a pre-owned windshield, we can throw one in for free. Or if you want a brand new one, we can ship that to you. Now this does have a little bit of a speed upgrade, which it will go 15 miles per hour. It's very, very silent, of course, because it's electric. 48-volt system. You can play golf with it, or again, drive it on the street. You call us up, we can customize golf carts, and then we also carry the Renegade series as well. And we can ship nationwide right to your front door. Comes fully loaded, ready to go, as you see right here. And then we can add the few different options, the battery and the radio. So call us up, 866-606-3991, saferwholesale.com.